Get ready to renew your home and your auto insurance. You may notice your premiums going up, in some cases by hundreds of dollars. Adam Woodbray spoke with an insurance agent about what is fueling the increase and what you can do about it.
My father and grandfather started the shop in the early 80s, and Dad still works in the business, and he says on a daily basis that this is the worst rate environment our agency has ever seen.
Bryant Young with Insurers of the Ozarks says on average, rates are going up around 25%, which based off of data from Bankrate, that would mean an additional $550 for Missourians.
A lot of factors going into it. A lot of it has to do with inflation combined with natural disasters and weather events happening in these neck of the woods and beyond.
And Young says the rates we're now seeing stem from events that happened a couple of years ago.
First, they have to pay out all the claims, settle everything up. That's going to take 6 months to a year to get all of those settled, right? Then they do the math and realize, wow, we shelled out a lot more money this year than we have in years past. We need to adjust our rates to account for that.
Then insurance companies have to get state approval to raise their rates.
All of a sudden, we're 18 to 24 months in the future from when the actual claims happened.
So what can be done? Well, according to Young, there's a lot of things we can't control, like the weather. He suggests focusing on things you can control.
But what we can do is really focus on making sure we're being good drivers, we're not being distracted drivers, and we're taking care of the things around our home that might cause a claim in the future.
He says, understand how your deductible works. A lot of people are switching their plans to have a higher deductible, but there's a trade-off. You'll pay less each month, but if you file a claim, you'll pay more out of pocket. And he suggests working with an independent agent who contracts with multiple companies rather than just one.
So if company A has a big rate increase, well, I'm going to go find you B, C, or D that's still within our stable of companies so that you can keep your rates down.
In Springfield, I'm Adam Woodbray, KY3 News.